I'm Robert Crow, Realtor here in beautiful Fort Collins, Colorado. And today I'm excited to show you 706 Center Avenue, Unit 101, a rare and luxurious condo in the Arrowhead community. If you've been searching for something elevated, something a little more refined and special, right here in Midtown Fort Collins, this might just be the one. Just south of Old Town, homeowners in Midtown enjoy a quieter lifestyle, while staying close to everything that makes Fort Collins amazing. Arrowhead is truly at the center of it all. Just steps from bike trails, the peaceful Spring Creek Gardens, the activities at CSU campus, and close to the award-winning and nationally recognized Fort Collins Senior Center. The veterinary teaching hospital, now undergoing a major expansion, is also just down the street. This boutique building features just 6 residences, offering rare privacy, tranquility, and a close-knit community. Security is a priority, with digital code access to both the main lobby and the interior hallway. And this is one of the only Arrowhead condos with direct access to the garage. As you step inside 101, you'll feel it immediately. The quality, the design, the attention to detail. The spacious light-filled living room welcomes you with soaring ceilings, elegant crown molding, oversized baseboards, and large, energy-efficient Anderson casement windows. A cozy gas fireplace with custom tile work anchors the space beautifully. The open concept kitchen is both striking and functional, with stunning cabinetry featuring extensive pull-out drawers, quartz countertops, an oversized breakfast bar, and a full suite of Frigidaire Professional appliances, including a 5-burner gas range and vent hood. The primary suite is equally impressive, offering a generous walk-in closet with custom shelving and a spa-like bath with double vanities and luxurious walk-in shower. And as I mentioned earlier, just through the laundry room, this is one of the few Arrowhead condos with an attached garage, finished and insulated, large enough to fit a pickup truck, complete with an 8-foot door, workbench, and extra storage. Plus, there's a second detached garage just across the way for even more space. Whether you're looking for an elevated lifestyle, a low-maintenance lock and leave, or even a luxury short-term rental, this location, quality and convenience are hard to beat. Thanks for joining me today at 706 Center Avenue, 101. If you'd like a private tour or have any questions, I'd love to connect. Until then, I'm Robert Crow, and I'll see you at the next home. Have a smashing day.